The PLC error number 30. If you have a prepaid meter, does this look familiar? 30. Yes, it's the infamous error 30. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with the meter or the electricity token that you purchased. This means that your keypad is not talking to your meter. But there's nothing wrong with your keypad either. And no, Zeus did not hit your meter with his lightning bolt either. Then what could the problem be? The problem is in your power lines. In simple words, the electrical power cable that runs in your walls from the plug into which your keypad is plugged to the meter itself. The problem in most cases is called noise on the power lines. Now, never mind the technical explanation of harmonics on power lines, blah, blah, blah. Let's get to the practical understanding of the problem and the possible solutions, which, in most cases, you can fix yourself. No experience needed. Here's what could be causing this error in practical terms. It could be that you have noise on the lines. This means that you've got some electrical appliances plugged into your house that create some kind of noise, and this noise interferes and doesn't allow the keypad to talk to the meter. Or it could mean that the wiring of the building is old. Or it could mean that the keypad is too far away from the DB board. However, the distance between the keypad and the meter shouldn't exceed 100 meters, and that's 10,000 centimeters. So, how can you fix it? Well, firstly, check that the batteries in the keypad are new or relatively new, because this assists with the communication to the meter. Try to plug the keypad into a different plug in the house, preferably one that is closer to the meter, and input your token again. If that doesn't work, then try to unplug electrical appliances, some of which may be causing the noise on the lines. Then try again to input your tokens. And if that doesn't work, then switch your mains on your DB board off and leave it off for about 60 seconds. This should eliminate the noise from your power lines and allow the keypad to talk to the meter. Then switch it back on again. Make sure your keypad is plugged in and retype your token. It should work. If that fails, well, then I think the problem is due to old wiring. And if this is the case, the PLC meter should be replaced with a different technology such as RF or radio frequency meter, or even a wired meter, because both of these have no reliance on power line communication, and therefore they should work perfectly. If none of the above has fixed your problem, then you need to call your service provider. If you are one of our customers at www.prepaidmeters.co.za, then please call 087 5500 870. Warning, please do not mess with your electrical wiring or your DB board in any way. It's not safe, unless of course you're a certified electrician and therefore are allowed to do so. This video is a simplified explanation of power line communication, or PLC, common problem with prepayment meters. This article is not intended to be technically accurate in any way. It's intended to help understand the basics in a very superficial manner, and hopefully to solve a very common problem that is almost impossible to fully explain to non-electrical engineering professionals.